Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am so excited to be bringing you a review on the folding telescopic stool. This stool is an absolute game changer when it comes to outdoor activities, and I cannot wait to tell you all about it. First of all, let's talk about convenience. The telescopic design of this stool makes it so easy to store and carry around. It folds down to a compact size, making it perfect for camping, fishing, or even just a day trip to the beach. And the best part, it's adjustable. You can set it to the perfect height for you, ensuring that you have a comfortable seat no matter where you are. But it's not just convenient, it's also incredibly durable. Made from high-quality plastic, this stool can withstand the wear and tear of outdoor activities, so you know it's going to last you a long time. And despite its sturdy construction, it's also super lightweight, so you won't be weighed down when you're on the go. This stool is truly a versatile addition to your outdoor gear. Whether you're camping, fishing, or traveling, this stool has got you covered. It's the perfect companion for any outdoor adventure, and I can't recommend it enough. So if you're ready to take your outdoor experience to the next level, make sure to check out the folding telescopic stool. I've left a link in the description below for you to grab one for yourself. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and outdoor adventures. See you next time.